Did you know that Rashtrapati Bhavan and its incredible circuits are completely open for everyone to visit? Whether it's the grand, iconic Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi, the stunning mountain views of Rashtrapati Niwas in Mashobra, the rich history of Rashtrapati Nilayam in Sikandarabad, or the latest additions, the serene Rashtrapati Niketan and Rashtrapati Tapovan in Dehradun. There is just so much to explore. All bookings are online and grabbing your slot is super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Log on to visit.rashtrapatibhavan.gov.in. Select the circuit you want to visit. Click on Book Your Visit Now. Pick your date and time slot. Fill in the number of visitors. Enter your details. Make the payment, and you are booked. You can plan your visit anytime from Tuesday to Sunday. Just remember, public visits are closed on Mondays and government holidays. Please note that entry timings are different for each circuit, so do check the details before you book your slot. Two quick things to remember for a smooth entry. Travel light, because large bags and heavy electronics are not allowed inside. And most importantly, always carry a valid physical photo ID with you. Slots fill up quickly, especially over the weekends. So plan ahead, book early, and enjoy your visit at Rashtrapati Bhavan.